I've been broke so many times, don't know what to believe. They said it's my fault I wear my heart on my sleeve. I like have a TV if you now watch a TV in a job. Come in the phone, you need to stop it nice. I've been broke so many times, don't know what to believe. Said it's my fault I wear my heart on my sleeve. Don't know what to believe. Don't know what to believe. Said it's my fault I wear my heart on my sleeve.
Pretty skin in a birthday suit. Tonight just wear your favorite perfume. Put your phone back, don't disturb too. Tonight me have you on a curfew.
Me know another push up with so soft, like a sip of the back.
Girl, you really turn me on, yeah. Play your favorite song, I'm over. Love you more when you're not sober. She say anything you want, let's make me know you. Baby, just wine for me, wine for me.
Fame love it when I wine for it, wine for it.
Baby, when you wine for me.
What's the word? If it feels like a virgin.
Baby, when you wine for me, wine for me. Baby, take your time for me. Love it when you wine for me.
What's the word? If it feels like a virgin. Bite my lips because you touch me not the right spot. Man, now if you think about it cause you know if you touch your G-spot. Don't you be done when you touch me, make me feel like we're taking a heaven with the angels them. My body just a twinkle and a feel like cemetery as peace you. Me feel like a virgin again.
Baby, just wine for me, wine for me. Love it when you wine on it, wine on it. Baby, when you wine for me. She worth it, Jesus like a virgin. She bite her lips, but no me touch her not the right spot. Anytime I kiss her on her neck, me know she like that.
Now go break your heart, anything that's up there, me piper.
Tell me if it's
Slap up on all this and me say, why not? Baby, just chill.
higher, know your body turn up. You know how you feel, praise when you feel it. Now your stomach, all when you overpass me, me things still turn up. And you little freaky ways make me really love.
Alicia, right, wagwan. Move it. How are you doing? What's all about, man? Bless up yourself, you know, Alicia, right? You know, me there, go and vibes for the Da Vinci, yeah? Yeah, man, the mix, yeah. Big up yourself, hope you have a safe day out there today, yeah? Just there, go and vibes for that one, yeah? Yeah. Love when I make up the face, don't stop it.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Bless man, me just say I go and all the vibes, you know? Massage your back and look back for me.
I'll play some music for you.
What you said?
Right? I'll play some music for you.
Yeah, play music for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, me there listen to my music, my song me there listen to. The one I love.
Any?
Honey Lips.
You know about the
I will
lips.
cola boss. Oh, you're the pan cola boss. Page.
So
I
the
Yeah,
want
you
this.
know, my day I cook for your favorite food in the kitchen. No, but I want one.
Big
chicken
up
back and
yourself, my
rice.
G.
No,
Manners
not
and
a chicken
respect,
back,
yeah?
a chicken. Yeah. So yeah, go on with.
Just there, I go and hold a medicine idea. I'm a couple seconds for you, so. I go and listen
And
to the
you
Da
say a
Vinci
long
mix,
time.
yeah. Eh?
My God, yeah, and the driving just on the scene,
Yeah, man, you know, me do me voice, me tune for this, so me have to listen to it and promote myself. You know, everything where you do, you have to promote yourself, you know, 'cause if you not do it, nobody not gladly go do it for you, you know, so you have to love yourself and promote yourself, you see it?
Yeah.
So you're artist.
Yeah, man, day one. More you listen when
So
my
you
line
like
drop
previous
in.
one.
How much you did already?
Whole heap.
When
I
you
know
drop
the push of you so soft, take a sip of the liquor.
are you do that?
I love you more when you're not sober. And say anything you want, just make me know ya. Wine for me, wine for me.
Yeah, one, yeah.
Say me love it when you wine for it, wine for. Cola boss, I big man, I look for me. Pussy worth it, it feels just like a virgin. Baby, when you wine for me, wine for me. Baby, take your time for me. Love it when you whine for me. Pussy worth it. My bite my lips because you touch me in at the right spot. Man, now if you think about it, cause you know if you touch the G spot. Yo, Javigan, when you touch you make me feel like me day in a heaven with the angels them. My body just a twinkle and a yo. Me feel like send me there a space, yo. Me feel like a virgin again to bumbo clot.
Ah, stop it.
You love it when you whine for me. Hmm? Whine for me.
What do you find YouTube?
Honeydrip34.
Egypt?
Yeah. Honeydrip34.
Okay.
Honeydrip34. Alicia,
Yeah,
right? How
me
you
get
doing?
that.
Share live there for me, them nice, clean people them out there. Hear me, I say no, man. You see, now all that you do, remember to put the Most High God first, because I'm alone matter. You hear me? I tell you no. So no matter what if I clean them one or depend on no rushing, just remember to put the Most High God first, because I'm the man with the plan for you. No mother, no father, no sister, no brother, them not have no plan for you. Because them will fail you at any given
Real.
moment, any given time. Put your trust in the Most High God. Tanic Maris, manners and respect. Me know me worth it, me feel just like a virgin. Let me take a love you like
You want
not
that game? You want that game? I
me
can't bother get no
done.
money.
So me
You know.
there, babes.
Money again.
I want to push up Mr. Clark up in my face, you can't come blind me.
Press the cap time with
I
you.
want to do that.
Me, that's my work.
I want for that cola bars and for you.
No customers.
You see?
I make them. I make them for people.
You're from me a pen.
I make them for people.
I don't hear what you said.
I am a shoemaker. I make them.
You made them.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody over here, people, anybody want any Jamaica made clothes to buy? And make them for people. Oh my God, that is something I want inside that we are make clothes. Oh,
Everybody.
clothes. Brother. Oh, you're good, sir. That's why Colabas get one today for talk. Then Colabas, I remember they have right to your foot, brother.
Right
Andrew
on your
broke.
foot.
Mm-mm. Yeah, me I say not Tanic Marriage, big up yourself, you know. Big up your damn self. More you go over the funny IG and give me a little follow upon it, Honeydrip34. And over on YouTube, it's a small little one. Nah, go cost you nothing. You hear
No
that,
look
my nice
favor.
clean friend? Yeah, me I say, in a Friday, yeah. Watch the girl them outside. Outside, I when I say corona time, outside, ear a dope, nails a dope, eyelash a put up on all type of things for the woman's son money. Wanna stop it. Wanna stop it. Wanna stop it.
Not
Cause
it
they don't
all.
love the man for real. Leave the man, make him carry the money, go and mother go give him mother and give him children. Them can have a problem when the man them give them mother them money. I don't know if wash them and them clothes, I don't not even know if to keep them clean. I don't know if to cook a plate of food, give them. But when you see Friday come as Thursday evening, you want to see them a line
Seven
up
of
a
them.
week from Big Papa money, you leave the man them, leave them alone if you don't want them. You hear me? I tell you, I know enough, you not gonna like me for the truth, you know, but as so you go, you leave them, make them carry the money, go give them mother. I go save in them bank book and stop take the man them things and you don't want them. Gun me for summer uno man. This blood clean in. Party now keep a corona time and still a reap down and a tear down the man pocket the man money to go buy outfit and this and take the money and go put it in a insurance and save the money that if anything happen to him, you can go grab sickness. And the other day, this big man, cause some love chat, up with things them, when we see evil people, them and the wicked people, them, after she live with the man for all long, the man take sick and dead. Here for your remarks now, cause the man dead must be 24th of December. So when I man friend, EG have money, so EG go link her up, if you go hear what is what and where she have together and wherever him can put him and go put it on. See her, as me go, and me see human face, me see say I want to look for evil, See her enough and she say, yeah, Jesus Christ, he come like a God, so no come, like he see money shall come. So me did me I listen to you, man, brother. Me I listen to you, man, me I listen to you, man, hear you, man, say something good about him, man, where she have 3 55 and you man, brother. You man say, you man drop a piece of fake ball in. You man say, you man say, you man say, Jesus Christ. When me remember when it's 24th of December come. We are grand market and me remember say Peter, oh call me and say, all this mama see your 50 and your 60,000 yeah. Me say pain my heart. I say Father God, me have to say all uno. That's why God have to take all some good man from uno. Yeah,
So it's all about the money.
I have to take them from uno because
It's
guess
just
what? Uno no love the man for the man. Uno love the man for the man. Things, uno have to stop it. Hey,
exactly.
so I'm used to look a bit of that girl. I'm used to look a bit of that some people, some church people, and some people are past me and they're married, You know, look on all them things and they ring high, cock up. Lord. I think no man again, no woman no cock up ring again, big fan finger. They must be mad because they know say some of them is just a second. Them not have no real love in them.
That's true.
Them not have no real love in them. So me I tell you no out there. And me I tell you no,
And
I
then
from
when
a
you
little
kid,
kid and I grow up, I always I say, you see me? And I deal with nobody for them things. Me a woman. They have things and to love things. But you see me? Me nah love no man for them things and what them can give me. Me I love them for them. So if them can love me for me, that have to for them business. Me I love them for them, not for them things.
no,
So
you
me
quick
stop
off
use
a man love a woman than a woman love a man.
stop use and abuse the people them down out there.
Man easy to fall in
Like your
love.
phone turned down still in a brother. You need to turn up your phone as me can't hear. Come on, hear clearly. Where I say. Alright, baby.
I
Thank you.
said
I know you're going to do it for
man
yourself.
easy
Me
to
say you're going to
fall
do it.
in
You're
love.
going to do it. For real people, me carry over your say, you know. Can't bother with the Scooby-Doo them.
Yo, me soon come. Man,
I
that is
gotta
soon
go
come.
in night. Chum Chum 1999.
Soon
How you
come, soon
doing?
come.
A cola boss, so you visit so an idea, yeah. I work for the check in a come in yet. Thank you very much. If I talk the truth, where truth is concerned, though. I can't bother. Anyhow, me love for real, brother. I can't bother with the fake people. I tell them, say, listen, man. No, listen. No leave the people, the woman son alone. You don't know want him, leave him alone. A man need love and care. And if you have a man and you know love and care, man, take care of him, I'm going to find somebody to do it. And just the same with a woman. If you have your woman and you know take care of her that right way, she's going to find somebody else to do it. And when she finds somebody else to do it, she have a little. Yeah, same way so.
So you go on with no
All about a
words.
one people on the phone low. So if so yeah so in a relationship now,
Hold on.
boy, I tell you the truth.
Huh?
When I work with no relationship, ship is a big thing. Right? And
Come
now I
again?
prefer work with a relation bike than a relationship. Tell me, I tell you. That too big for me right now, brother.
Is the ship too big?
Too big. Prefer work with a relation bike.
And,
Too much problem in a relationship.
uh,
One day I'm going to go out
sexy
in the street, but see
ballin'.
what they out there for me.
Where you go
Go
on
bless
with?
up my nice clean people them
You
out
see me I
there.
invite you. For me I course this morning, you know, accept my
Shall
invitation.
I don't know for sure. I am CRO, so be a laugh. You feel like a joke. I want a relation bike, brother. No want a ship. Why you look nice over your side, man? Chum chum. 1999. How you doing? All about you look cool and nice and I Friday. Like you collect a big check-in idea and just relax now. And the AC.
Man, I will tell you. I did an invite.
Now
This
for the
man we
do
see up
stay
on
positive
TikTok
out there
live.
and put the most like God
I see with
first.
this
Yeah,
man
cause
in
my the man
2 hours a
with the
while
clock
ago.
for me and feel down. I'm gonna go outside, you know, me have to go out in the street, you know, so I go kinda fix up my ear and sit now. Maybe me need to fix it up, me just blow it. Me a man, I made it that trouble about the teeth before me go work. Blood clean. Like when I'm not trouble me about my teeth, you see. Mm. Big up yourself, you know. I saw one Rasta come from my
So when
life yesterday, you know. My film teeth, them solid in a
yeah
film
man
blood
good,
clot
good.
mouth.
No?
Clean and nice. I mean, I know what
Mm-hmm.
him a say, I mean, I have to hear what him a say, you know. I'm not even know say. Let me tell them all the while. I tell them say me no make certain things bother me. You see things we can
Yeah man.
replace in a split second. You no make it bother you.
Mm-hmm.
You see people we worry about
Fair.
them things that them people them I call vanity people. Me no make certain things worry me. I when me know me can go do it in a minute or not, me no make it bother me. You
Fair
must be
man.
blood clot mad. So we go take false teeth, put in false teeth, me swallow false teeth and blood clot dead. You must be mad. When me ready, me do it. Me have friend we put false teeth in their mouth and me see that drop out of their mouth much time all in a toilet to drop them and run go on the next side of pit to go look for them false teeth. That could have never happened to me. You must be mad.
Whoa!
Sexy ball head, how you
That
doing?
easy though. That easy.
You're my coffee that I breathe in the morning. You're
Come
my
on,
sunshine in the
trick.
rain when it's sunny. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all.
Sing for me, honey lips.
Hmm?
Let me and Bridget.
I
That's a
want to hear
song for them.
anything on this tone, you know. Well, boss, big up the general, they say there, you know. Big him up. Straight up, yeah? Make him know say I love and respect straight up to him.
Youth, yeah.
Yeah?
Him?
Big up yourself.
Him kinda?
Yeah. I know him may talk still I wanna make it clocks, man. Big him up whole entire
Oh,
family
damn
with
true.
everybody where they in the house. Big them up, man. Respect to them, you see it.
Come on, free.
I make them know saying that most I God I'm alone matter, my man with the plan for you. So no matter wanna see where I do and how we
Free.
attack, most I God I'm alone matter. You hear that? And stay safe out there. Me go run right now because I have to go up on the road. I go come back when I come back. Out in 7 o'clock, so I try go do another live. You see it, so then time that me G, you see it? Big up yourself, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I respect you. Yeah.